Today I'm going on a safari in South Africa. I'm going to be staying at Safari Moon Luxury Bush Lodge in Hoedspruit, South Africa. My plan is to document my stay here. I'll show you a tour of the room, game drives, and everything else Safari Moon Luxury Bush Lodge has to offer. Let's go. Welcome to our room at Safari Moon Luxury Bush Lodge. This place looks amazing. Let's go check it out. Wow, I really love this room at Safari Moon Luxury Bush Lodge. I'm staying in the Giraffe Suite right here at Safari Moon Luxury Bush Lodge in Hoedspruit, South Africa. I have a feeling that my stay here is going to be awesome. There's definitely something special about this place, and I think you guys will feel it as well. So, if you want to stay the night, there are 6 stylish suites to choose from during your stay. Or if you want to just come for the day, there are a lot of activities that you can do, such as a game drive safari, a bushwalk, or you can just chill at the pool. If you want to check that out, the link is down in the description below. It's at a really great price for everything that you get here. Before we get into the tour, I just want to tell you that Tom Cruise actually stayed in the room above me for 2 months while filming one of the Mission Impossible movies. So, if you love Tom Cruise, you should come stay here. Anyways, let's get into the tour. You'll arrive at Safari Moon, check in with some welcome drinks, and then you'll make your way to your room. Wow. Welcome inside. When you first walk in, you'll see that there is a bathroom on your left. So let's start here. There is a double vanity basin made of stone, which looks amazing. And the tiles and mirrors complement the vanity very well. There is a separate room for the toilet. This is a great toilet. Firstly, like the details that they left on the toilet paper. I like this thing here, which I think is a dustbin, but it looks amazing. And lastly, I like the pangolin that is looking over me while I'm doing my business. I feel very safe and protected. Thank you. There is a stone bath that looks incredible and is more comfortable than it looks. There is an inside shower with these cool rock towels and an outside shower with these unique towels and a view of the Hoedspruit Nature Reserve if you look over the wall. Moving on, if you go down this passage with hand-woven baskets on one wall and a white cutout mirror designed by James Stroud on the other. Good job, James. Then on your right, you'll see a mini fridge and a coffee and tea section with everything that you need to make a premium coffee or tea. There is also an area for storage that is currently holding a safe, peaceful sleep, which is definitely needed because there are a lot of mosquitoes here. On the left, there is a desk, chair, and a mirror where you can sit into your makeup. I don't really do makeup, but if you're a girl, you can do your makeup. Or you can just chill with my friend Ellie the elephant over here. What's up, my guy? Fist pound the trunk or the leg, hand, arm. Let's go. Let's go. Moving on to the bedroom, you can see that there is a leopard theme combined with a giraffe theme combined with a pangolin theme. The more the merrier, I guess. On both sides of the bed, there are these bedside tables with these awesome hanging lights. If we have a look at the bed, it is a queen size bed with these beautiful pillows and this leopard skin blanket. It's not actually leopard skin, it's just the design. On the bed, it says, "Welcome to Safari Moon." I almost feel bad for ruining that, but I had to test out the bed. There is also a welcome card over here. Dear Brad, welcome to the Safari Moon family. We are delighted to host you at our lodge and wish you a wonderful and memorable stay with us. Nicola and the Safari Moon team. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. You have been so hospitable, so friendly. I really appreciate that. Let's move on to the other side of the bedroom. If we have a look at the right side of the bedroom, it is very African themed. We can see this from the hand-woven baskets on the wall to the velvet couch with handcrafted embroidered cushions from the local Karos ladies. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Sorry if I offended you by the way I said it. I tried. On the one side of the couch are these wooden giraffes, which are really cool, hence the giraffe room. And on the left side of the couch are a couple of glasses and some red wine. I may dabble later, who knows. And then above is a beautiful oil painting of a leopard by James Stroud. Let's go see the outside patio where there is a table and chairs and the lounger. Then if you look in front of the patio, you can see that there is a path that leads to an egg chair, which I obviously have to try out. Let's go. When you walk outside here, you instantly feel like you're a part of nature. I feel like I'm in the middle of a game reserve, except when I look to my sides, I can see a game lodge. But it is as good as it can get. Wow. This is too good. So, that is the room. Let's go see what else Safari Moon has to offer. Are you enjoying your stay at Safari Moon so far?
They are so hospitable, people are so nice, the rooms are spectacular. Super huge, so cool decorated.
You heard it from the man himself. You should come stay here. Let's go. We then made our way to the main area of the lodge. This is the inside and this is the outside. It is beautiful over here. We had a conversation with the owners while drinking gin and tonics and watching a classic African sunset. Later that evening, a dinner was set up for us in the boma. The table was set beautifully, but would look better with food. So, for starters, we had cheese and tomato pastries. Mains, we had a stuffed butternut and broccoli salad. And dessert was strawberry cheesecake. cheesecake. And the thing about Safari Moon that I love is that it's very personal. You get to know everyone here. They are interested in you and your experience here, which is amazing. It's very different to a lot of other places I've stayed at because you build an actual relationship with the people that work here. We are waking up in the morning at 4:30 a.m. to go on a game drive in the Pride Lands Game Reserve. So that is going to be premium. I'm excited for that. So I will see you guys in the morning. We have just pulled over for some morning coffee. I need it. I haven't been up that early in a long time, so I'm gonna get involved in a coffee. Let's go. So that is everything that we did in Hoedspruit, the surrounding areas, and at Safari Moon Luxury Game Lodge. I've really enjoyed my stay, and I hope I've possibly influenced you guys to come stay in the future. But if you did enjoy this video, please give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next one. I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers. Wow. Just have to check there's no spiders in here. Let's go. Rude. Don't even answer me. I'm losing my mind, man. What do you guys think? How do I look in it? I feel good in it.